Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
So while we are waiting, let's do a little bit of interaction. Have any of you attended the past two lectures? Pratik, Aaron, Chasnam has were you there in the lectures?
Hi. Yeah, I was there in the first lecture. I think by Miss Himani. I
Yeah,
missed yesterday's lecture.
yeah, you can watch it on YouTube, right? We have already uploaded it on YouTube. So.
Cool,
Like, is
thanks.
yeah, is this the first time you are using Slack, or like have
Yes,
you used?
yes. First time.
Okay.
Just a slight, user interface problem, but I guess that will get sorted out pretty soon.
Yeah, yeah. We actually Slack has a steep learning curve. So in our first week of the course, we don't have any heavy assignments or any proper course material followed. Like there will be proper course material, but there is no hard topics, no difficult topics in first week. So that in first week you get used to the interface of Slack. You get used to where you have to submit the assignments, where you can see see the post, where everything is organized. There is this Notion bot which we have maintained. So like you can get familiar with these things in the first week.
Cool, cool. Sounds good.
Hello Dushyant, hello Ishan, good afternoon. Ashan. We will start in a minute. Sai, we can start, right? So, how many of you use Android application for Slack, and how many of you use Slack on desktop?
Yeah, I'm using it on desktop.
Okay. Anyone else using on desktop? Yeah, you can unmute yourself, guys. This is an informal session. You can speak in between. You can interrupt us.
Yeah, I'm using on both, on the desktop as well on desktop.
Okay.
Android phone.
Okay, so like we will okay, so we will demonstrate in both on desktop and on mobile. Like Sai, can you please start with the desktop version? Sai, you are muted.
Yes.
Sai, like, can you zoom in on the channels? All the channels you can. Yeah. No, no, you should start. Okay. So the first one you see on the screen is AMA sessions. It's called Ask Me Anything sessions. We haven't had any AMA sessions till now, but we are planning to have them pretty soon. We had AMA sessions on in our product management expedition case study competition, which was conducted in February. But the problem with those was that it was very text intensive. So like it used to be boring on the Slack community. So instead, now what we do is we urge our speakers to conduct an AMA sessions, an AMA session after they talk. So it gets interesting, it gets interactive. On you can also like get your answer queries solved from it. The next is announcements channel, where we will post the links of the lectures and sessions, and any other announcements will be shared in this channel. And then there is assignments channel, where all the assignments will be posted. Uh, like, let me clarify one thing on assignments. Assignments will be peer graded. Like there will be no grading by our side. You have to grade the assignments of your peers, and there is this one mandatory thing. You have to grade at least three assignment of your peers. Okay, so for each assignment, like we haven't kept it mandatory in today's introduction assignment, but let's say if it was mandatory in today's assignment, then you would have to reply to three other people's submission and review their assignments. Okay. The assessment criteria of this, like reviewing and everything, will be shared beforehand, and there will be also be like proper time interval for reviewing purposes also. So it wouldn't be difficult for you. It should be hassle free if everything is followed perfectly, and yeah, like there will not be many time constraints too. So
Sorry to interrupt. So for this current first assignment, there is no review, right?
yeah, so in first assignment there is no review, but like you get the point of peer review, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, like as I said, all the assignment will be peer reviewed, and you have to review minimum three assignments, three submissions of per assignment. Okay. And these submissions will be shared in assignment submission channel. As you can like, Sai, can you zoom in on the channels? Okay. In the assignment submission channel, it has been pretty active since we have posted our introductory assignment today. And like you all might be curious, like why are there two weird questions in that? And we will clarify all your confusions and doubts once the assignment deadline is over, and we will share the ideal solution to the assignment. Okay. Then there is general channel, which is a default channel like you all which you all are part of, and yeah, like it's for general purpose. What more can I say about it? We have also created an help desk channel where you post any queries you have, you any difficulties you are facing, and like it will be solved by us or senior executives of eSelf. Then there is interesting reads where you can share whatever you are reading, any blog, any book, any movie which you like, anything, and pretty much anything you can share there, which might add some value in if I try to read or watch this. Okay, don't spam it. Don't like share like any funny stories or memes or anything. We have a dedicated channel for it. That a channel is Thai suit is boring. This is the channel where all the fun things happen. You can share memes. You can like post pretty much anything. You can post like if I would say that if I'm bored, I would like to go to this channel and refresh myself. That kind of content you should post in this channel. Okay, it's like we can make this pretty interactive if you like, if anyone, like I think many of you might be scrolling memes on Instagram all day, including myself. So if you find anything remotely funny as well, you can post it there. And okay, okay, sir, you can take over. Yeah, we can. So you can also share the basic semantics of Slack, like replying on the thread and like posting on the channel and everything. No, no, no. I don't think they can upload stickers. I think pretty much everything is covered. You can share about the Notion board, like how Notion board is works. No, if anyone does anyone have any doubt regarding using Slack? I think like it you some of you might find it intimidating because of the number of channels and everything. But the purpose of these is to keep things organized. It is these number of channels are made only for making your life easy, only to make your life easy. Okay, so if within the first week, I think you all will get used to Slack. So I don't think there should be any issue here. If you have any doubt, you can share right now.
I don't.
Yes,
No, go ahead, Pratik.
Yes.
Pratik, go ahead.
yes, I have a doubt that how I review someone assignment or
Okay. So you should review someone's assignment by replying in thread. Okay. As I has told you, it's the only way you can review someone's assignment. You cannot DM them because we also have to check if you have reviewed anyone or not. So you must review your assignments by replying in thread. Like next, Sai, can you show an example?
So this will be like a qualitative thing, or it has to be like a grade way of reviewing.
Yeah, the assessment criteria will be shared. It will be a bit of both. There will be some points which should be covered, and grade should be about like you. There will be no ambiguity. Once it will be shared, I guess you will have a pretty clear idea of what you have to do. Sai, write a review. This is just a completely qualitative review, and the review which we are which you all will be posting. I would say that okay. Uh, हेलो नहीं नहीं तू बोल बोल
Hi, Nishant here. This might be the right platform because it's about Slack, but can you give an overview of what all we'll be covering up in the next days through
okay,
this? Yeah.
next we are moving on Notion board only. There we will give you a pretty much decent idea.
Yeah, I checked there. So we currently have a week one schedule, which I could see, but nothing after that.
Yeah, so like we are posting only weekly schedule there
Okay.
because yeah, The reason is there are many topics, there are many things which we have on our side. Okay, but depending upon the response, depending upon the assignment, we also have some alumni mentors with us. Depending upon their suggestions, the schedule is like tends to change. Okay, so the best like I think the best thing here is like we will post weekly schedule so that you don't get confused. Like we already have a month long schedule planned, but it keeps changing. Okay, so like maybe at some point you visited the Notion board and there was something there, and then at the next point some things might have changed. So you might
Correct.
get confused. Yeah, exactly. So
Okay.
weekly schedule will be posted.
Got it. Thank you, Sham.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Just wanted to know if it would be possible if we can get speakers who currently work in a marketing firm or in a financial services firm, if that is possible.
Uh, okay, so so there is a process of calling speakers to our course, and it takes over a month, like to approach them and to convince them to come and talk here. So after the commencement of course, I think there shouldn't be any changes. There can't be any changes made.
Okay,
So
I understand.
yeah.
But what's the reason behind this? Like, why you want marketing people and finance people on board?
Because I myself am from a finance background, so I had a brief experience working with a product team in Kotak Securities.
Okay.
So anyway, my experience is more towards finance and marketing.
Cool. We will try our best and let you know.
Cool, thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
So this is Roshan here. I have a small doubt. So, so the assignment thing. So you guys said that the peer review system is at least we have to review three assignments of our peers. So is there a marking system regarding that or something?
Yeah, there will be a marking system regarding that. It will change, like it will be according to assignments. Uh, you will have to review your peers both quantitatively and qualitatively. Okay, and all the assessment criteria, everything will be shared along with the assignments. Unfortunately, we don't have an example prepared for you, but like let me make this thing clear that there will be no ambiguity in the marking scheme. Okay, like you if you even if you have any doubts after the assignment is posted, you can share. You can always DM us. You can always share them in help desk channel. But like all your confusions, all your doubts will be sorted out once first assignment gets posted.
Fine. You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you very much. Yes, please, if anyone doesn't have any doubt.
Yes.
No, please continue. Like, yeah, pretty much daily. If there are an like, okay, pretty much daily, I would say. Yeah, you. I don't think know the jargon is updated yet. Like, can? Yeah, it's not updated. Okay, we will update it at 5 p.m. itself. No, I don't think like the purpose of today's meet is well served. If anyone has still any doubt on regarding Slack or Notion or how things will go from now on, you can share right now.
Hey, just one thing. I could come across Mr. Vivan's session on YouTube, but I could not find the other one. Will all the sessions be uploaded on YouTube? Going ahead. I
Okay.
could not attend the session due to some other commitment, so which is why I wanted to know if that happens in future as well.
Okay, so like we always try to record every session which like every session we organize. The first lecture was also recorded, but like after the session when we like uploaded it on YouTube, due to like some technical issues, the audio was not clear, so we took it down from the YouTube channel. But to summarize, I think it was just a pretty introductory session. There was nothing extraordinary about it. And the summary of the talk is also updated on Notion.
Yes.
So like I don't think there is like a need of anything else for the lecture one. And for lecture two was pretty insightful. Vinay had like experience of 15 plus years in the industry. So like he almost explained everything with some tangible experiences or some tangible examples.
Yeah, I watched that one. It was really nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. So I think any other questions?
Yes, Utkrishт here. Good afternoon. Recently, from the page where you were explaining the Slack community, whether it was the desktop app or it was the desktop website, because I don't know whether everyone is facing the same problem or not, but I'm facing a few glitches with the Slack app as it doesn't stays in the background, and I also miss some of the notifications.
No, I think he has a doubt about desktop application, right?
Yes, from the page where you're showing us about Slack, whether it was the desktop app or it was the desktop website. And I would also like to know that what is suggested by your side, whether we should use the desktop app or application or website, or we should use the mobile application.
I think it's all the same, and whatever you're comfortable.
Yes, this is the current page I'm asking about, whether this is the desktop site or this is the desktop application. No, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ashan. Okay, so like if there isn't anything else, the session is over now. Like if there is any doubt, I think some member and like me and Shai will be there. Will be always active on Slack, and even if we are not active, we do have a core team of senior executives at ESL who will always be ready to help you. Just post your suggestions, your doubts, anything in a help desk channel or in general channel or in any other channel. other than the of course other than the assignments and the course related channels. You can share your doubts in help desk, and it will be like they will be resolved. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Have a great day.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Hello.